What's up, guys? So I'm heading out four-wheeling tomorrow and coyote hunting. I know I've been doing a lot of coyote hunting, but I'm gonna go up to my usual spot and gonna unload my truck, my four-wheeler at my grandma's house, and then I'm gonna head up to my coyote spot. Hopefully this time I will get a coyote. So I hope you guys stay tuned for it. So, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm heading out coyote hunting right now. And I'm bringing my Polaris with me. And should be a great day. Right now I'm heading to the gas station to get some gas, and then I'm heading out to Boulder and up to my coyote spot so I can hopefully get a coyote. Thinking of wearing my ghillie suit today, but I'm not 100% sure if I want to or not. So yeah. Hey guys, so I just put gas in my truck. Gonna go grab something to eat really quick, and then I'm going to be on my way. Hey guys, so made it to my grandma's house. Got just unloaded, and now I'm heading up to my spot. It's like 3 miles that way, so like 2.5, 3 miles maybe that way, and I'll get to you when I'm on the road. Okay, so I just got done talking to a game warden, and he ripped me a warning for my Polaris because apparently this road is closed, and I did not know that. And yeah, I thought it was open because there's tire tracks going up it, so I go on it all the time. And this was the road before before they made this new road right here. And yeah, now he just left and gave me a written warning saying I can't drive on that road anymore. And yeah, gonna go rip around this some more up to that. He said there's a walking area up here. I'll walk all the way over here and then sit down, and then before like half hour before dark I'm gonna walk all the way back. And that's gonna suck ass because, yeah, you know. Yeah, if that was the case, if I had to go down that way, I would brought my truck to drive down there and park there instead of driving this up here, because I was planning on going that way. So yeah, so I know next time to bring up my truck up to this area for now on. Yeah, I guess this road that goes that way, I guess it goes to Elkhorn, wherever that is at. But that game warden said it was open for anybody to drive on, so, and he said that there might be drifts or something in there, but it looks like a couple vehicles and four-wheelers been in there, so I have no idea. So I might do that instead of walking however far that way to go coyote hunting. But who knows, I think I might just go coyote hunting and just park my four-wheeler right over here my Polaris Ace. It's pretty awesome. I'll get you guys some cinematic shots right here. So I have a little change of plans. I'm gonna go down that Forest Service road and go down there for a while and see if there's any good coyote hunting spots down there. If not, then I'll flip around, or if it gets too bad, then yeah, I'm gonna flip around. But I will see you guys all in just a sec. Hey guys, so I made it out to my spot. Decided to go coyote hunting, and went down that Forest Surface road for a while, and I decided to turn around because the snow got a little deep in one spot, and I didn't want to get my new four-wheeler stuck. Like, might as well just bring my sportmen out to go on that trail to see where it goes. And yeah, so yeah, let's get to it. So I haven't heard anything yet on any coyotes or anything, but back where I parked my four-wheeler, saw a shit ton of mountain lion tracks. There's like a shit ton of mountain lion tracks back there. Crazy. And they're all fresh too. And over here on that fence line, I saw they were kind of old tracks. They've been there for a long time. They're kind of iced up, but they're huge bobcat tracks, so I'm guessing it was a male. I think I heard a coyote go like whoop there, so I'll get back to it calling, because I haven't called in a while. So let's get back to it. So I hear squirrel chirping back there, out in those trees out there, and there's been a coyote hanging out. One, maybe a couple of them out in these. So I heard a squirrel chirping out in these big open trees. They're kind of hard because of the sun right here. And there's been a coyote or two, or maybe even more, hanging out in those trees the last few times I've been coyote hunting. So hopefully draw them to me this time instead of just out into this field. And the last few times I've been coyote hunting, I sat up on the hill over here, those hills over there. Sat out like in those trees so nothing can see me. And wearing this camouflage. And now I'm sitting like, I don't know, 50, 200 yards away from the side of the mountain. And I'm sitting up against a tree. So I hope something comes towards me. A coyote comes towards me. So I'll get a nice shot on it. So stay tuned. I should just carry extra set of batteries with me all the time when I go out hunt, coyote hunt. For that kind of pisses me off, but it is what it is. It's my own fault for not bringing extra batteries, but yeah, gonna go pick it up and then start walking back to my truck. I mean, to my four-wheeler, and I'm gonna head back. I think girl's back there. Hey guys, so back at my four-wheeler. I was gonna get some cool cinematic shots on the way back with my stabilizer, but my stabilizer died, so and I have to go home, charge it up, so didn't film anything on the way back to my four-wheeler. But I'll see you guys when I head down the mountain or get back to my grandma's house to load everything up. Hey guys, I got all loaded up from riding coyote hunt today, and it's pretty fun riding today. It was a nice day for it, and I got done visiting my grandma's house, so I'll end the vlog here, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll make some more creative content here pretty soon, me and Garrett, and I will talk to you guys next week.